Hey guys, welcome back again. Today we will discuss some more very interesting and useful English sentences which can be used in your day-to-day life. I hope you will find this video very useful, so please stay with me till the end. Let's have a look. तुम नीचे क्यों बैठे हो? Why are you sitting down? Why are you sitting down? फिर क्या? What after that? What after that? टेंशन मत लो, मैं कुछ करती हूँ. Don't worry, I do something. Don't worry, I do something. बताओ क्या करना है? Tell me what to do. Tell me what to do. उसे दूसरों की बुराई सुनने में मज़ा आता है. He enjoys listening to the evil of others. He enjoys listening to the evil of others. मैं उसे तुम्हारे पास भेजती हूँ. I send him to you. I send him to you. मैं पूरी तरह से तैयार हूँ. I'm all set. I'm all set. यहाँ तक कि मैं उसे जानती भी नहीं हूँ. I don't even know him. I don't even know him. इतना घमंड ठीक नहीं है या फिर इतना गुरूर ठीक नहीं है, तो इसे हम बोलेंगे this much attitude is not good. This much attitude is not good. तुम इतनी जल्दी कैसे वापस आ गए? How did you come back so early? How did you come back so early? अगला सेंटेंस है खाना खाकर तुमसे बात करूंगी. I'll talk to you after having food. I'll talk to you after having food. उसे मास्क पहनने की आदत पड़ गई है. He got used to wearing masks. He got used to wearing masks. उसका मन भटकाने की कोशिश मत करो. Don't try to divert his mind. Don't try to divert his mind. मेरा नेट पैक खत्म हो गया. My net pack ran out. My net pack ran out. उसने मेरा दिल जीत लिया. She won me over. She won me over. मैं उसे समझा समझा कर थक चुकी हूँ. तो ये सेंटेंस बनेगा I'm sick of making her understand. I'm sick of making her understand. Sick of मीन्स तंग आ जाना, थक जाना किसी चीज़ से, किसी बात से. किसी भी तरह से इसे पूरा करो. Either way complete it. या फिर इसे हम और एक तरीके से बोल सकते हैं by all means complete it. मतलब किसी भी तरीके से इसे पूरा करो. मैं इसका क्या करूँगी? What shall I do with it? What shall I do with it? क्या आपके आसपास कोई है? Is anybody around you? Is anybody around you? छोटे बच्चे लार टपकाते हैं, तब हम उनको बोलते हैं कि लार मत टपकाओ, तो इसे हम बोलेंगे Don't drool. Don't drool. मेरा पेट खाली है. I have an empty stomach. I have an empty stomach. तुम शादी कब करोगे? When will you get married? When will you get married? अगला सेंटेंस है बच्चे बहुत बोलते हैं सेंटेंस मुझे नहीं चाहिए मतलब नहीं चाहिए. तो इसकी इंग्लिश होगी I don't want means I don't want. I don't want means I don't want. वहीं रुक जाओ. Stop right there. Stop right there. सोफे से नीचे उतरो. Get off the sofa. Get off the sofa. या फिर बोलना हो कि सोफे पर बैठो, then we can say sit on the sofa. Sit on the sofa. अगला सेंटेंस है मुझे शॉपिंग कराने ले चलो. Take me shopping. Take me shopping. या फिर बोलना हो कि मैं शॉपिंग करने गई थी, तो आप बोल सकते हो I went shopping. I went shopping. वहाँ जाने में कोई बुराई नहीं है. There is no harm in going there. There is no harm in going there. मैं कोई कसर नहीं छोड़ूंगी. I'll leave no stone unturned. I'll leave no stone unturned. यह शर्ट सिकुड़ गया है. This shirt has shrunk. This shirt has shrunk. इसे कोई नहीं रोक सकता. Nobody can stop it. Nobody can stop it. तुम मेरे लिए सब कुछ हो. तो इसे हम बोलेंगे You mean the world to me. You mean the world to me. अगला सेंटेंस है वो तुम्हारे साथ खेलना चाहता है. He wants to play with you. He wants to play with you. उसने मुझे गिरा दिया. He made me fall. He made me fall. अगला सेंटेंस है उसे कोई पूछता तक नहीं है. Nobody even asked him. Nobody even asked him. मतलब उसे कोई पूछता तक नहीं है. तुम कब तक यहाँ ठहरोगे? For how long will you stay here? For how long will you stay here? बच्चे सुबह से टीवी देख रहे हैं. Kids have been watching TV since morning. Kids have been watching TV since morning. शटर को ऊपर ढकेलो. Push the shutter upwards. Push the shutter upwards. मेरी हंसी छूट गई. I couldn't hold laughing. I couldn't hold laughing. मेरा एक एक मिनट लाख के बराबर है. My time is extremely precious. My time is extremely precious. आज सोमवार नहीं है. It's not Monday today. It's not Monday today. मुझे 2 दिन हो गए थे. It had been 2 days to me. It had been 2 days to me. वो स्वार्थी हो रहा है. He is being selfish. He is being selfish. अगला सेंटेंस है कमरे को साफ किया जा रहा था. The room was being cleaned. The room was being cleaned. अगला सेंटेंस है उसकी गलतियों पर पर्दा मत डाला करो. You don't draw a veil over his mistakes. You don't draw a veil over his mistakes. So guys, that's all for today. If you liked the video, then give it a like. And if you are new to the channel, then please subscribe it. So friends, see you in the next video. Till then, keep learning, keep watching my videos and keep practicing. Bye bye. Take care.